Hello, welcome to ANA Academy. What do you mean by Upadhatu Pradoshaja Vikara? How to identify Upadhatu Pradoshaja Vikara in the body? This is the topic of discussion in this particular video. Dear community members, press the like button and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that the YouTube algorithms will be fetching the right information at the right time for the right purpose. When you hear the term Upadhatu Pradoshaja Vikara, which is actually comprising of three different words, Upadhatu, Pradoshaja and Vikara, wherein Upadhatu refers to the body components which is actually being what do you say that the produced or sustained by the body, but it is not producing any kind of the nourishment to the body, wherein the dhatu is the one which actually the nourishes as well as sustains the body also, wherein the pradoshaja in the sense where we are going to expect the affliction of upadhatu. Vikara in the sense these are the disturbances or dysfunction as such. In total, the Upadhatu Pradoshaja Vikara refers to the dysfunction or the disease manifestation wherein we are going to expect the affliction of Upadhatu in the body. The text says, wherein the Charaka Samhita, it says, Snayau Sira Kandarabhyo Dushtaha Krishnanti Manavam Stambha Sankochhalivir Granthi Spurana Suptibhi, wherein the Snayau Sira Kandarabhyo Dushtaha Krishnanti Manavam Stambha Sankochhalivir Granthi Spurana Suptibhi. So here the description that is mainly related to the affliction of Snayu, Sira and Kandara. Whereas the Charaka Samhita, it says, Prasad Stanyam Asrujah Raktam Kandarah Sirah Mamsadvasat Vachahashatcha Medasah Snai Sambhava. So these are the description of Upadhatu of different dhatu in the body. But here Upadhatu Pradoshaja Vikara, we are going to expect the affliction of Snayu, Sira and Kandara in most of the occasions. How to identify the affliction of that? Stambha, which is nothing but the stiffness of the muscles of the body, which may be in one part, which may be in the other parts also, which may be either visible, which may be either invisible also. Sankocha refers to the development of contractures. Khalli, wherein we are going to expect the sensory impairment, which may be observed in the upper limb or lower limb, or which may be observed upper limb and lower limb. Granthi refers to the nodular swelling. Spurana, which could be considered to be pulsatile swelling. Supti, and that is considered to be numbness. These are the description. If you are observing any of these, then we are going to say that there may be a possibility of affliction of upadhatu. This is considered to be stambha, wherein the person will be having the some kind of the catch of the muscles. It could be in the form of muscle cramps, etc. We are going to expect stiffness, sudden movement of the part of the body, wherein the person may develop severe pain while moving that particular part. Stiffness. Sankocha. So here this is the perfect example of what we can say, the sankocha. So here initially this is considered to be normal upper limb, normal hand. So here we are going to see the sankocha, and here we are going to see the maximum number of sankocha itself. What we can say, that could be contracture. Halli, that is pins and needles or altered sensation, which may be observed in the upper limb as well as lower limbs. Granthi, which could be a nodular swelling. Spurana. So here, this is considered to be the spurana. See this. So here, This is considered to be the pulsatile swelling. So here this is considered to be the numbness of the body or body parts. So all these are considered to be, we are going to say that there may be a possibility of Upadhatu affliction. To sum up, Upadhatu Pradoshaja Vikara is the term where we are going to expect the affliction of Upadhatu in the body. That means which is doing the dharana, or what we can say sustain the body, but poshana is not being done by this Upadhatu. So here also there may be the possibility of affliction of Sira, Dhamani or Kandara. Asira, Kandara and Snayu affliction, we are going to suspect that. Snayu Sira Kandarabhyo Dushtaha Krishnanti Manavam Stambha Sankocha Khalli Granthis Purana Suptibhi. So these are the Upadhatu Pradoshaja Vikara Lakshana that is being mentioned in Charaka Samhita. And this is another method of identification of affliction of the human body. Just like Indriya Pradoshaja Vikara, Roga Marga, or Mala Pradoshaja Vikara, etc. or Rasa Pradoshaja Vikara, etc. So there are the doubts that may arise whenever a person is coming to you. Whenever if you are having an interaction with you, you are going to have the doubt regarding the what kind of the pathological change is happening in the body. For that reason, we can able to look into from the angle of dosha, from the angle of dushya, from the angle of srotas, from the angle of bahya srotas, from the angle of agni, from the angle of the ama, from the angle of roga marga, from the angle of the sadhya sadhyata. In that way, the multiple ways where we are going to see an individual, so which will be helping us in what we say that the finalizing the actual diagnosis of the disease, so that we can able to predict the prognosis of the disease also. That's all for today. What are the major key takeaways from today's discussion? Mention in the comment box below. What is the one video that I'd like to hear in the coming days in this particular channel? Mention in the comment box below, and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners, so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube algorithms will be fetching with the right information at the right time for the right purpose. That's all for today. Something more in the next video. Thank you.